Level 1. You just installed Unreal Engine. You opened the editor for the first time, got completely overwhelmed by the interface, and closed it 10 minutes later. Later, you try opening the editor again, but you're still confused. You're not sure what to do. In reality, you just haven't found the right beginner resource that actually explains things in a way that makes sense. If you're stuck here, stop trying to build a game on day one and learn the fundamentals. I made a completely free Unreal Engine beginner course which will teach you the fundamentals. Link in the description of the video if you need that. Level 2. You've made your first thing. You followed a YouTube tutorial, placed some meshes, and maybe got a character moving. And it actually ran. You're either person A. You feel like a fraud because you just copied someone else's steps and don't actually understand what you did. Or you're person B. You realize that something compiled and worked because of the choices you made, and that's enough to keep going. Level 3. You understand the basics, but nothing makes sense yet. You know what blueprints are, you can navigate the editor without panicking, but every time you try to build something original, you hit a wall immediately and spend 3 hours on Google. You're either going to quit here because you feel like everyone else knows more than you, or you're going to realize that confusion is literally just the feeling of your brain building new connections. Write down the one thing that confuses you the most right now and solve only that. Solve one concept at a time. Level 4. You finished your first original project. It doesn't matter if it's a tiny prototype, a broken platformer, or just a room with working doors and a light switch. You built something. This is the moment you realize Unreal Engine is actually learnable, because you just proved it. Don't abandon this project for something bigger yet. Polish it, break it on purpose, and fix it. Level 5, you can actually problem solve on your own. You hit a bug, and instead of immediately going to a forum, you're able to fix the problem on your own. You're starting to think like a developer, although be careful. This is where many learners actually plateau, because after this point, they feel comfortable jumping into a massive project they're not ready for. Something like building an open world RPG, a multiplayer system, a multiplayer shooter. These games require hundreds of systems. Don't do that. Take the skills you've built and build something small but complete. Shipped and small games beat building one massive game project which gets abandoned every time. Level 6. Something you made genuinely impresses people. You posted a clip, shared a devlog, showed a friend, and someone who isn't obligated to be nice to you told you it looked good. Maybe you built satisfying game feel, a stunning environment, a clever system. Your brain is firing on all cylinders and you're starting to think about what you could actually build seriously. But here's the trap. You either abandon everything to chase an even bigger idea that gets you nowhere, or you double down on the exact skills and workflows that produce that moment. Review what you did right and build from there. Level 7. You're a developer. You've shipped something, you understand the engine well enough to be dangerous, and you can learn any new system because you know how to learn. Congratulations. You got here because you didn't quit when everything was confusing and nothing worked. Keep building, keep shipping. You've already won the hardest part. Now, if you are still stuck at the lower levels, make sure to check out this video here.